Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the DLGJPA men's lightweight quick drying aqua or water shoe, which is in this package right here. This is a product that I received from the company to review, and I reached out to this company because I wear minimalist shoes, and so this is a really good shoe that's really for water purposes or more of like a minimalist setting for walking and going about. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take this out of the packaging, show you what it looks like up close, and then I'll throw it on my feet. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the DLGJPA men's lightweight quick drying aqua or water shoe. Currently you can get this on Amazon for $29.99 or about $30. They've got a wide variety of color options. Definitely check out the Amazon link to see the different varieties, but I won't go into them. But there's over 22 different colors. This is going to be their all black variety. The main thing about this product is it's going to be a lightweight, very versatile shoe that's really tailored towards walking or vacation purposes on the beach or going about where you're going to get your shoes wet. This is really going to be like a mesh water shoe kind of vibe, which will be very good for those sorts of purposes. As far as the packaging, it came in this like compact, basically vacuum packed package. I wear a 10.5, so they sent me a Euro size 44, which does meet up with that size. We'll open this up and take a look at what the shoes actually look like. So this is what they look like up close. So here's the two different shoes. And so in general, I'm actually pretty impressed with the shoes once they're out of the package. They're exactly like the photos. So it's basically this mesh design where it's got mesh all along the top here of the shoe. Basically very breathable, very airflow, like there's a lot of airflow here. You can actually see through the shoe. And then on the side here, there's a kind of like a, I don't know, synthetic insert that runs along the side that then has this mesh clasp system that it tightens the shoe across the forefoot here. And that's on both sides, so that's how it secures it. The side here with all black does have some like kind of like black sparkly appearance. Overall, it's a good looking shoe as far as quality and design. And then the DLGJPA labels are across the front here on the top. Then on the back, there's a little area here that you can use to pull your foot into it, into the shoe. As far as the bottom, it's like a general, like very, like breathable foam pad as far as the bottom material. If you think, you can't smell it, but it actually smells like a traditional foam shoe. And then on the bottom here, it's basically got this web design throughout the bottom of the shoe where there's all holes throughout the entirety of the bottom. And it is very, very flexible as far as being a foam that's very flexible. So this is a shoe that I think would be very comfortable for like walking on the beach, walking along riverbeds, anywhere where your feet are going to get wet and you want it to drain out very easily. It doesn't look like a shoe that would be very durable as far as running or athletics because of the foam. So it's something that's more of like a vacation purpose as far as like all around walking. But it's just a very, very lightweight shoe. I don't even know the weight, but it's basically like a couple ounces, if that. So it's a really good shoe for packing on the go. I could see this as being like a camp shoe if you're backpacking or hiking because it's so lightweight where you can get out of your hiking boots or shoes, throw these on and let your feet breathe. But it's a good all-around look. What I'll do now is I'll set up the camera, throw these on my feet, and give you a general sense of what they look like on my feet, as well as comfort and feel with the sizing. Okay, so here are the two shoes. What we'll do is we'll throw them on my feet now. I am going to wear this barefoot because I feel like most people will wear this in a barefoot setting because it's really for a water purpose or water shoe. As far as putting it on, the general mesh is a little bit snug around the top of the foot, but will secure your foot into the shoe, which is nice. But it does take a little bit of pulling as far as sliding it directly in. So that might kind of take some getting used to as far as putting it on. And then here it does have this elastic mechanism where basically it's an elastic band that comes across the top of the foot. It's very easy to tighten up, and then you can pull this tab to tighten it up. But basically my whole foot is very secure and snug in here. It's surprisingly more comfortable than I anticipated. We'll tighten up the other one as well. And so here we go. And so that's with both of them being tight. So to be honest, I'm actually very impressed with these shoes. They're very comfortable, they're very snug. You have a lot of mobility here as far as moving your foot and maneuvering around with it, and it just conforms to your foot really well with this elastic. It's not too tight. So I'm actually very impressed with this. So this is what it looks like from the side. This is what it looks like from the back. This is from the other side. And then that's what it looks like from the bottom. As far as comfort with walking with these, they're surprisingly very, very comfortable. For being such a basic shoe, it's something that like you throw these on, they're immediately like very, very mobile, very, very movable. So it's something that it's a really good all-around like comfortable walking shoe that's very, very lightweight, conforms to your foot. We'll have to see how durable they are, but at $30 it's a really cheap, affordable shoe to get, especially for water purposes if you're going kind of like kayaking or whitewater rafting or just walking along the beach. But that's all I have for this. So this is the all black version, but there's 22 other colors, so definitely check them out. So these are the DLGJPA shoes. You can get them for about $30 on Amazon. I'm actually really impressed with these for the price and kind of the general kind of basic aspect of it. So it's really cool. So thanks for watching and have a great day.